Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. Set your own standard. Your best is good enough. So many times we have a standard in our mind of how we are to be or what we are to do, and then we don't measure up. We sabotage ourselves through guilt, condemnation, and bitterness. We create our own standards of how we live and succeed, but everybody has their own standards. The question remains, which is the right path? We all have our own journey and obstacles, so the standard should be following authenticity and our destiny. The most important element is being the best we can be through thought, word, and deed. That's the only control we'll ever have, and the only control we're given in this reality through the divinity we are. Our intentions and motives are stuck on the image we've projected through domestication. It's what we learn throughout the years of how we are to be. Some works for our benefit and some hinders us. It's self-empowering, inspiring, or it gives us joy. That's the right standard for us. If we feel guilt, condemnation, and bitterness, we're not operating under the right motives. If you're full of negative emotion, what good can you do? Can you uplift? Can you inspire? Can you motivate? These negative emotions only zap our energy and strength. All wisdom comes from a state of peace, love, joy, and whatever emotion contradicts this is not of God. Everyone on this planet is struggling with something, and often it's these challenges which stretch our boundaries and limitations. If life is perfect, we are perfect, and we fulfilled our every dream. There's nothing else to work towards and achieve. Sometimes the thorn is what stretches our faith into uncharted territory, into the unknown. It's what allows us to keep seeking growth and success. If the thorn aggravates you to a point where you sink into a pit where escape seems impossible, then you're allowing the thorn to hold you back. If you feel at peace despite the thorn, while no longer allowing it to cause aggravation, you allow it to make you stronger and full of faith. Let the thorn do what it's supposed to do. If you cannot find a means of letting it go yet, in time, when the work is fulfilled, you'll begin to ignore it. Then it loses its power and strength. You'll set a new standard for yourself with new dreams where the thorn loses its hold on you. That's when you realize what true freedom is. And that's when you realize you are the master of the ship, destined to create your own mission and happiness. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. That was a beautiful article. I really like this one. Thank you so much, everybody, for listening. And I'd really like to hear everybody's opinion. I really like this article. But until next week, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful week and a beautiful day today. With love, take care.